Morning coffee starts the day, washing all the sleep away. Toast is golden, eggs are bright, everything is feeling right.
Steam is dancing through the air, every aroma says someone cares. Every recipe that I create turns an ordinary day to great.
Slice it thin or cut it wide,
every meal is made with pride.
simple things can always prove
The strongest language here is food.
we're cooking dreams in every pan, doing the best that we all can.
Mixing laughter with every spice,
Making every moment nice,
from the first bite to the last.
creating memories that always last.
Every flavor tells a tale.
Love is the wind inside our sail.
Vegetables begin to shine, fresh from garden, pure and fine. Rice is fluffy, soup is warm, comfort through every storm. Cookies cooling on the tray, children smiling all the way. Grandma's recipes still remain, passed through joy and even pain.
Some days salty, some days sweet,
Every meal is still complete.
even when mistakes appear.
We just laugh and persevere.
The best ingredient isn't gold.
It's the kindness that we hold,
Every kitchen, big or small,
has enough love for us all.
turn the oven, light the flame.
Every meal is never the same.
Cooking isn't just a chore.
It's opening another door.
Gather family, gather friends.
The happiness never ends.
Every recipe that we share leaves a little love everywhere.
So if your heart feels all alone,
The kitchen can become your home.
with every stir and every smile,
Life feels brighter all the while.
one more recipe, one more song.
Together we all belong.
From my heart into your day,
Let's keep cooking all the way. Apron on, it's time to play, turning simple meals into a holiday. Wooden spoon and a happy smile, let's make memories that'll last a while.
fresh tomatoes, herbs so green, the brightest colors you've ever seen. Every recipe starts with love, a little blessing from above.
Hear the pan begin to sing,
Feel the joy that flavors bring,
every chop and every stir.
makes the whole world smile for sure.
We're cooking up a little sunshine,
One delicious bite at a time.
mix it, taste it, don't be shy.
Let the happy moments fly.
From the morning to the night,
Every meal can feel so right.
around the table hearts will stay. Cooking brings us all together every day. Rolling dough with careful hands, building dreams like castles in the sand. Soup is bubbling nice and slow, love is the secret every chef should know.
Sweet desserts or spicy rice, every flavor tells a life. Family laughter fills the room,
Like flowers always bloom,
no fancy kitchen, no golden crown.
just a happy heart that won't back down.
Every meal becomes a song,
Where every soul can sing along. We're cooking up a little sunshine,
serving hope with every line.
every plate is made with care.
Happiness is everywhere.
When we share the food we make,
Every smile is worth the wait.
one recipe can change a day.
Love is always the main ingredient on the plate.
So grab your spoon, come sing with me.
The kitchen is where we're meant to be,
Every meal tells a story true.
made with love from me to you.
Open up the pantry door,
Hidden treasures waiting for more.
flour, sugar, salt and spice.
Simple things can taste so nice.
Stir the pot and hear the sound.
Little happiness all around,
Every flavor finds its place.
like a smile on every face.
Don't be afraid to try something new.
Every recipe starts with you,
A pinch of hope, a dash of cheer.
turns every meal into something dear.
Cook with passion, cook with soul.
Every dish can make us whole.
From the frying pan to the plate,
Love is always worth the wait.
fill the table,
Gather near,
share your stories, laugh and cheer.
every meal becomes a light.
Made seasons, through the years.
Meals have dried 1,000 tears.
Family recipes, old and new.
Carry memories shining through.
Every bite can bring us home,
No matter where we choose to roam.
a little patience, a little care.
Magic happens everywhere,
Not because the food is grand,
but because it's made by hand.
but when the world feels fast and loud,
Cooking helps us stand out proud.
one warm meal, one gentle touch,
Can truly mean so